Hi there, I'm Beau Miller, I'm from Beautique Realty, and today I'm about 8 kilometres from the Brisbane CBD in Moorooka. This property is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home. It's on about 405 square metres, and we have it ready for you to move in. So very private, you've got access off the street here, lovely front entrance, security screens, enclosed hedge. It is on the corner. So I'm going to just pop around here just quickly so you can see we are on a corner block. So you do have access from that side of the street as well. And you'll be able to see that on the aerial photography that we're doing for this particular property. So inside, carpeted living room, which is air conditioned, ceiling fans. Got your dining and kitchen, dishwasher, electric cooking and fridge space. I'm just going to pop and show you the bedrooms. Laundry with external access, big cupboard in there as well. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom 1. And then bedroom number 3. So as I mentioned before, it is security screens and ceiling fans throughout. The property's got smoke alarms all upgraded. Bathroom with a new shower, bath and vanity, and separate toilet. Now I'll pop out and show you the outside of the property. So we do have electric opener there for the garage door. Gorgeous little outdoor seating area there. Down this side, got a Rinnai electric hot water system. Garden shed and small yard. So it actually is a really good location. Next door is a little cafe, which I see is very popular. It is a little tricky to get parking out the front on a weekend, and that just shows that the cafe is a good place to meet your friends, so there'll be no cooking on Sunday breakfast for you. We know we're only about 8 kilometres from Brisbane here, and this area is extremely popular, easy access to Ipswich Road, plenty of shops close by. I really don't think you want to look past this property. It is gorgeous, and I would love to show you through. Feel free to reach out on the app by just clicking through to contact agent, or you're welcome to call me 0411 439 437. I'm Beau from Beautique Realty, and I will see you at 4 Belair Street, Moorooka soon.